40 children were asked how many baths or showers they had each week. The results are shown in the bar charts below. Work out the mean and the range for year 7. Work out the mean and the range for year 8. Write a sentence to compare the number of baths or showers by children in year 7 and year 8. So here we've got 2 bar charts giving the data. And then what we're going to do here, we're going to calculate the mean and the range from each bar chart separately. So, making a frequency table for the first bar chart. So there's the bar chart. So in the frequency table, we need the baths and the showers, the frequency, and we'll need to work out x times the frequency. So if we look here, the frequency for 1, it's 0, 1, going down the table, 2, 4, 8, 3, and 2. If we now add those up, that should come to 20. Now, here we multiply, so 1 times 0 is 0. So here we have 2 showers are represented by 1 person, so that is 2 showers in total. Here we have 3 showers taken by 2 people, so therefore the number of showers altogether will be 3 times 2. And the same idea here, 4 showers taken by 4 people, so it'll be 4 times 4, that's 16 showers altogether. Carrying that process on, we get 5 times 8, 6 times 3, and then 7 times 2, which is 14. We then now add those up, that gives me the total number of showers, and this is the total number of people. So the mean is the sum of x times f. This was x, this is f. We multiplied to get this column here, divided by the sum of f. So we need to do 96 divided by 20. So doing a bit of long division. So 20 into 96 goes 4 times. 4 times 20 is 80. Doing a subtraction, we get 16. We now add in a decimal point. So the decimal point goes directly above. We add in a 0, and that now moves down here. We say 20 is into 160, which is 8. 8 times 20 is 160, no remainder. So the mean is 4.8. You should now check that your mean is between the lowest value and the highest value, which it is. So it seems to make sense. The range is the largest value minus the smallest value. So the largest value is 7. The smallest value is 2. And therefore the range will be 5. And this tells me how the data is spread out. On its own, it doesn't mean very much. If we now do the same for the year 8 graph, so again, there's nothing here, nothing there, 5 there, 8 there, 4, 3, and then nothing there. Okay, and then we'll do the multiplication again, so we get there's 20 altogether, because 0, 0, 3 times 5, that means there was 5 people who took 3 showers, so that's 15 showers altogether. So just remember what it means. 4 times 8, which is 32, 5 times 4, which is 20, 6 times 3, which is 18, 7 times 0, which is 0. If we add this up, we get 85. So there are 85 showers taken altogether by year 8. So the mean will be the sum of x times f. X times x is the total number of showers. F is the number of people. So it's 85 showers divided by 20 people. So working that out using division again, 20 into 85 goes 4. 4 times 20 is 80. Doing a subtraction, we get 5. Put in a decimal point, add in a 0 and bring the 0 down. 20s into 50 go 2. 2 times 20 is 40. Doing a subtraction, we get 10. We need to add in another 0 because we've still got a remainder. So bring that 0 down, we get 100. 100 divided by 20 is 5. 5 times 20 is 100, therefore no remainder. So the mean for year 8 is 4.25. The range is the largest value minus the smallest value. So the largest value is going to be 6 in this case, and the smallest value is going to be 3. So that's going to be 3, 6 take away 3. Right, so summarising all the data here. So we've got year 7 data, year 8 data, and the two original bar charts down here. Right, if we're going to compare, we need to write at least two things. Okay, so the first thing, we're going to compare the mean. So the mean number of both bath showers for year 7 is just slightly higher than the mean for year 8. So if we're going to put it on the chart, that would be about 4.8. That would be 4.25. However, the range is much greater for year 7 than year 8. So the data's more spread out for year 7. We can see that just by looking at the chart. Okay, so here we have a greater range than the range that we have here. Just a word of think, because this data is discrete, then the bars should not be joined up, because we can't have half a shower or thing like that. This is not continuous data. This is discrete data. It can only take on exact values. So the bars really should not be joined up. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to compare two sets of data from bar charts. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.